Hey everybody, Colin at Buffalo Dent Repair. Today I've got a GMC Acadia in the shop. It's got a dent in the fender right about there. This is a leased vehicle that's going to be going back soon, and they want to get it fixed before they turn it in so that they don't get dinged with whatever the lease company comes up with as far as damage. They may have to charge them for painting the fender, maybe blending into the hood, maybe the doors, who knows. So they came to me, and I'm going to be able to fix it so that when they turn it back in, no one's ever going to know that it was there. So I'll show you the damage. There's actually a pretty good amount underneath the molding too that I wouldn't have seen until I took it off. We're going to get this straightened back out. So this is the damage. Pretty nice dent here. This whole front of the fender is kind of caved in, and this part here, there's a molding that goes over here. So as you can see underneath, it's pretty kinked up in here. So being able to take off this molding really lets me see the damage that's beneath here that I'll have to straighten out, as well as getting all this in here straightened back out. But once it's all done, this isn't going to be noticeable at all, and nobody's ever going to know that it was ever there. Alright, got this Acadia all finished up, came out looking really nice. And when they go to turn this back into the lease company, nobody's ever going to have any idea the dent was ever there. I'll show you what we came up with. So this is where the damage was. Not much left there. Some minor waves you really have to look for, but someone when they're doing a lease inspection on this are never going to have any idea that this was ever here. It's exactly what we were looking for.